Welcome TRACMIP data users to the repository for our data sets. You can read the URL here off the top, and we needn't have that to get there. The data sets can be viewed through this repository. They're under data sets, under TRACMIP, and you can drill down here all the way, if you like, to files. This is a good example of an enormous file that's highly aggregated. But if you just wanted some of it, you could subset it according to levels or fields. So it's highly aggregated, but you can download just subsets on the fly here. So that's the highly aggregated view of data here. That just gets you to metadata, so probably what you like is to browse it in a graphical way in Panoply here. So if you open Panoply, and under Panoply you open a remote catalog, and you paste in that same, all the way up to repository, but then we're querying it here for the threads catalog as its output. When you load that, it's already open. You get the catalog, the same view here, and under the data sets, under TRACMIP, here again is that same data file. But now instead of just finding out metadata or downloading it, you can just double click that, and it will open it as a data set. So now you see we've got area, ice, water, and all these things. You got U and V right next to each other. So if you want to make a wind, you got at least both variables are in the same file. So let's have a look at some variable here. Create a plot. Omega at 3 millibars, whatever that is. Interesting part of the world there in the uppermost atmosphere. But again, when the data set is aggregated, you get to see all the variables here. If I went through the catalog to a less aggregated data set, I could open a data set and I would just have one variable, and I would have to then work from there. So that's why I like aggregation. And of course, it only works when these things are, I think, on the same grid, although we got lat B, lon B, and it may be that the plots take account of possibly different staggered grids here. I'm not sure. Anyway, that's how to use our repository, and I hope we all enjoy it.